Hi my fantastic chefs, welcome to Recipe Specialty, where we show you how to make a variety of recipes from eggs to eggceptional. In this video I'm going to whip up some mayonnaise. What I used to prepare this was simple and straightforward. An egg, a cup of oil, I used avocado oil, a fresh lemon, Dijon mustard, and a pinch of salt. With that said, let's get cooking. Bring an egg to room temperature, so set it out on a counter for a bit. Then add a cup of oil to a jar that's about roughly the same size as the immersion blender that you're going to use. Crack that egg and pour it gently into the container. We're trying not to break the yolk here, not just yet. Then add half a tablespoon of fresh lemon juice, which is barely half a lemon. Spoon in a teaspoon of Dijon mustard and add a pinch of salt. Using an immersion blender, stick it all the way down and make sure the egg yolk is completely inside the immersion blender's net. You're basically trapping the yolk into the blade cage of the blender. Then blend it, keeping it blending firmly at the bottom until it comes to the consistency and color of mayonnaise. Once that happens, then you can begin working the immersion blender up and down. This whole blending process takes about 30 seconds, so it's rather quick. The best thing about this is that you control all the ingredients. There's no quote-unquote natural flavors involved, whatever the heck that means. This will store safely in the fridge in a kitchen-safe, airtight container for 4 days up to a week. Please let me know what you think. If you made this recipe, did you tweak it at all? Do you have any suggestions to improve it? I'd love to hear all your feedback. Thanks so much for taking the time to watch this video. I am truly grateful for all the love and support you all have shown me. You are all so very kind. I hope you have a wonderful day. If you all liked this video, do me a huge favor, hit that like button, subscribe, check out the website. Ultimately, let's eat!